Hello traders, this is Fawad Razak, market analyst for City Index. Today is the 12th of November. So the markets continue to favor the US dollar over the currencies that are set to be hit by Trump's tariffs, including the euro. Now the euro dollar has been declining for the last several sessions, as you can see, and currently it is approaching the low that it was hit back in April at just over the 106 handle. It looks like the euro dollar wants to at least test this area, if not break it. If it does manage to break through it and hold below it, then the next downside target could be the 105 handle. And whether or not we will get there this week may depend on the outcome of this week's CPI data from the US, which is due tomorrow. So that's the next key downside target below April's low. In terms of resistance levels to watch, this area here at around 106.80 to 107 is the first area of trouble for the bulls. Above that we have 107.60 to 107.70 area, this shaded region here, where we have the broken bullish trend line converging with prior support. That is the most important resistance area to watch in the days ahead, in the event we get a bounce back in the euro dollar. But as things stand, the path of least resistance is clearly to the downside, and we would favor looking for bearish setups near resistance than looking for bullish setups at support. Now, as you can see on this watch list, equity indices are lower across the board, led by Hong Kong and China, but European indices are down too, quite sharply. In fact, that was quite contrasting how weak European and Chinese equities have been compared to the US markets, which have rallied to record highs. And it's all to do with threats of tariffs, I think, hurting European and Chinese equities rather than weighing on US markets at the moment. But if sentiment turns decisively negative, then we could see the US markets suffer as well. But looking at the German DAX index here, it's not a full-on risk-off day yet, but that could change if more support levels break down. And one of the key areas to watch is this blue shaded region, which comes in at around 18,900 area or slightly above it. This zone is going to be very important. For as long as we hold above this zone, I think the bulls wouldn't be too concerned by this weakness. But if this area of support breaks down, then we could see the potential for a deeper correction, possibly down to the 200-day moving average, or slightly below that to 18,200, if not more than that. In terms of resistance levels to watch, well, this level at 19,300 is a pivotal level intraday basis. Above that, 19,460, the base of the prior breakdown that has now been tested at least 3 or 4 times. And so far it's kind of holding on a daily closing basis. So that is proving to be a tough nut to crack, and should we go above that level at some point in the next few days, then that would invalidate this bearish technical development that we are seeing on the DAX index. Now, for more market insights and analysis, make sure to check out the news and analysis section at cityindex.com. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.